Alrighty guys, little update here. We are wrapping up the cab lights, right? Ouch. We just wrapped up the cab lights. They turn on, they work, and all that good stuff. Next on the menu, subwoofer installation. Alright, so this is the new sub. I have not installed one like this yet. I'm very curious to see how it's gonna sound, how it's gonna perform on this setup. Right now, I'm just trying to fish a wire through so we can get some power there. So you gotta be real careful. But yeah, let's see how it's gonna sound, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. And stay tuned.